Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn some powerful professional English phrases that will help you sound more fluent, confident, and professional at work. Many English learners know grammar and vocabulary, but when they speak in offices or meetings, they still use very basic English like I want this, I don't know, too fast. These sentences are understandable, but professional people usually speak in a calmer, more polite, and more natural way. And remember one important thing. Professional English is not about difficult vocabulary. It is about clear communication and the right tone. So today, let's learn simple but powerful workplace English phrases that native speakers use every day. Lesson 1. Stop saying I want. Many learners use I want in every situation. For example, I want the report. I want help. I want a meeting. These sentences are not wrong, but at work they can sound too direct. Instead, professional people say, I would like. Could you? I'd appreciate. Examples. Basic English. I want the report. Professional English. I would like the report, please. Basic English. I want your help. Professional English. Could you help me with this task? Basic English. I want more information. Professional English. I'd appreciate more information about the project. These small changes immediately make your English sound more professional. Lesson 2. Stop saying I don't know. Another common workplace mistake is saying only I don't know. Professional people usually sound calm and responsible even when they don't know the answer. Better alternatives are I'm not sure yet. Let me check. I'll find out. I'll look into it. Examples. Basic English. I don't know the schedule. Professional English. Let me check the schedule. Basic English. I don't know the answer. Professional English. I'm not sure yet, but I'll confirm it. These phrases sound much more confident. Small conversation. Manager. Do you know when the project will finish? Employee. I'm not sure yet, but I'll confirm the timeline today. Lesson 3. Stop saying do fast. Many learners say reply fast, send fast, finish fast. These phrases sound unnatural in professional English. Instead, use softer workplace phrases like as soon as possible, at your earliest convenience, when you have a moment. Examples. Basic English. Reply fast. Professional English. Please reply as soon as possible. Basic English. Send me details fast. Professional English. Could you send me the details at your earliest convenience? These phrases sound polite and respectful. Lesson 4. Professional meeting vocabulary. Meetings are a very important part of office life. Here are some common workplace words. Discuss, serious talk, update, new information, deadline, final date, agenda, meeting topics, feedback, suggestions, issue, problem, schedule, plan a time. Examples. Let's discuss the project. Here's a quick update. What's the deadline? Do you have any feedback? These words are used every day in workplaces around the world. Small meeting conversation. Manager. Can you give us a quick update? Employee. Yes, the project is making good progress. Lesson 5. Better ways to agree and disagree. At work, professional people disagree politely. Instead of, you are wrong, say, I see it differently. Instead of, no, bad idea. Say, I understand your point, but maybe we should try another approach. Better ways to agree. I agree. That makes sense. Absolutely. I think that's a great idea. These phrases help conversations sound calm and professional. Lesson 6. Professional email. Phrases. Emails are also very important in workplaces. Useful professional email phrases are: I hope you're doing well. I'm writing regarding, could you please? Please find attached. I look forward to your reply. Example email: Hello Sarah, I hope you're doing well. I'm writing regarding tomorrow's meeting. Could you please send me the latest report? Please find attached the presentation file. I look forward to your reply. These phrases make emails sound much more professional. Lesson 7: Teamwork and Confidence. Professional people use positive and supportive language. Useful phrases: Great job. Thank you for your support. Let's collaborate. I appreciate your effort. Confident English phrases: I suggest, I recommend, I believe, in my opinion. Example: Manager: What do you recommend? Employee: I suggest improving the project schedule. Confidence is not about speaking very fast, it is about speaking clearly and calmly. Final message: Professional English is not about perfect grammar or difficult words. It is about sounding polite, confident, and respectful. Small language changes create a very big difference. So from today, instead of I want, say I would like. Instead of I don't know, say let me check. Instead of do fast, say as soon as possible. Practice these phrases every day during meetings, emails, and conversations. The more you practice, the more fluent and professional your English will become. If you enjoyed this video, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy and powerful English lessons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.